So I have these clips right here and all of them looks really good. I love these aerial shots and the scenery is just really beautiful. I want to create a quick montage with the music that comes with it. I think that's gonna be really cool, but here's the thing. I can't just put any type of music on it. I have to choose and pick the right music. Like I can't just put a dance music that goes with these trees and this waterfall. Actually, what I'm thinking is I want to put something that sounds more like a documentary, maybe something epic, National Geographic like. And here is how I do it. Something very quick. I have Matchlink AI in audio, and this is how I do that. I'm gonna go to YouTube and I'm just gonna type National Geographic documentary. I'm just gonna put music, background, and see what we have here. There is this playlist right here. I'm gonna click on this and I'm going to copy the link, and next I'm gonna go to audio, click on link match AI. I'm just gonna paste it here. I'm gonna do search, and there we go. These are the suggestions that audio gave me. This is a really good start. You can go on your Epidemic Sound or Artlist or a music bed, whatever you use, and you can kind of go through all the lists and maybe choose mood and all of that stuff. You can do that in audio too, but this AI, Link Match AI, makes it really quick and makes it really easy to find the right song, or at least the music that you want to get for your clips. And my suggestion, guys, is just to pick three, whatever tool you have, whatever platform you're using, just pick three of your best, because it's so easy to get lost in just trying to find music here, and you listen to another music and listen to another one and there is another one, because there is so much in the library. The more choices you have, the harder it is to make the choice. So pick three and let's go with that. We're back in Final Cut Pro and I brought two of them here in Final Cut Pro, and I'm gonna try this one first. So what I'm really trying to do right now is listen to the music over the clips, listen to the music entirely, and I think I'm gonna speed this up really in post so that you guys don't have to go through all of that, because it's a long, maybe 2 minutes just to listen to the music, but you get the idea. The idea is to listen to the music all over and over again so that you can see if it really matches the clip that you have or the vision that you have as you edit it. Before we listen to the second one, I'm going to press V to disable this. Beginning sounds nice. I'm gonna go a little bit further down here to see. Okay, that's really fast and actually matches what I'm seeing right now, the running in the video. Let me listen to this last part right here. That sounded even more epic. And you know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking about putting this last part right here in the beginning of the video and begin with that aerial shot, that jungle shot as an opening, maybe like fading, and have that, that last part as the beginning. Let's try that. I just want this part right here. That's what I want. So I'm gonna start maybe right here. I'm going to cut it and I'm gonna move this up here. I'm gonna delete this for now because I feel like this is the one that I'm gonna use, but I will not use all of this. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my my headphone here so that I can hear better. So let me recap really quick. Choose the right music. That's the first thing to do. I use Link Match AI because it's very convenient for me. I don't know what you do or how you do it, but choose the right music, whatever platform you're using. The second thing is listen to your music over and over again. Find the parts that you want, cut it, and then put them together. Make it make sense. If there was a crescendo or an ascending sound, put it in the beginning if that's the vibe that you're going after. Not bad for a really quick edit, really quick montage here. Nothing fancy, no fancy transition, nothing like that. Just really choosing the right music and cut to the beat. And you know, there's a lot of things needs to be done here, but I'm not mad. I'm not mad for a very quick edit like that. If you got any value from this one, guys, let me know in the comment section. If you want Matchlink AI, I'm gonna put it somewhere, but I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully. Peace.